All the students, in this class 3, I draw a tree in simple way. This is only for kids. And also later I obviously make video about the advanced students. I shaded this tree in brown color now. What is shade actually? Shade is actually produced due to the darkness. Here, if you keep a torch, this is a torch which is lightening here, and it is a pillar, then the shadow of it will just be here like this. And when you keep the torch here, then the shadow will be smaller and will be just like this. And when you keep the torch here, then the shadow of this pillar and this pillar will just overlap with this, so no shadows will be shown in this case. Now here I suppose that the sun is just at the head of this tree, then shadow will be here, here overlap with this portion of the land, and it is black color. Now for coloring the tree, at first you outlined this portion with dark green color. This is dark green, and now continuously you spread the color just like this. This is above portion of the tree, above leaves, which is nearer than these leaves. So you have to use light green or lemon yellow color in this portion. I use both of these color, and you see the combination of this color how I mixed them. This is obviously a greater facility in this camel well pastel color, that it mixed with one another more suitably. And this is lemon yellow. This is lemon yellow. Also I use here lemon yellow color, and at the bottom side it is light green. This is light green color. Here also a shade of dark green I use, and it may be a question that why I use the dark green at the bottom portion of this tree. This is because the sun is just above the tree, so the shadow, I mean darkness, will be at the bottom of this tree. You can use here sap green color, then thereafter this light green, but due to lack of this sap green color, I use it directly after the dark green color. You can also buy 50 shades camel pastel color, oil pastel color. And at this oil pastel color you also get various combination of green color. Then your tree must be very better, but it is only for kids, so I use here 12 shades oil pastel, polo oil pastel color. You can also use camel oil pastel, but you can also use polo oil pastel color. But in polo oil pastel color, the fact is that the black color and Prussian blue colors are not just mixed with the with this green color due to greater sleepiness, and here you see that when I draw this black color, then immediately it spotted on the page, but for polo oil pastel it will not be just so. So for kids, camel pastel color is more helpful than that of polo oil pastel. Near me I also have 25 shades polo pastel, but since this is for only kids, so I color it in camel oil pastel color. Now this is already made. Okay, it is complete. You can also use give here the grasses. These are grasses. I use deep green color, and this is Prussian blue. Okay, this is a tree drawn by camel oil pastel color, and at the behind side here has a tree with this polo pastel. This is also for kids, and you color there at the same way. Here you see that I use yellow ochre color, and after that brown. In case of this camel pastel, I use peach, I mean plastin color, but here I use this yellow ochre color, and the way is just same, but due to greater mixedness of this black, Prussian blue and